everybody, and here is a tour of all of the lifts at Wellington's Capital on the Quay shopping centre in Lambton Quay. Now, Capital on the Quay shopping centre is located at the base of a small shopping centre located at the base of several office buildings built between Lambton Quay and the terrace. Now, I haven't actually managed to be able to source a map for this lift tour, unfortunately, so we're gonna get straight into it. So we're gonna begin first of all in the glass lift at the front, and this lift was originally a Quay M series traction lift. However, though, this lift has since been modernised by Otis. The glass lift at Capital on the Quay in Wellington. It's a Quay M series which has been modernised by Otis. It might stop on 2, but I don't think it's going to though. Nope. Out there you can see Lambton Quay. Right. We are up at level 8. We'll just go back to 1. Again, the date on the indicator is wrong. It's the 8th of August, not the 14th of July. Oh, yep, non-stop ride again. Now we'll just go to 2 so we can get into the rest of the mall. Yep. Here we are, up at level 2. Oh, and I got that lift to myself. Right. There it goes. And that's it. And now to the lifts up to the Novotel. These lifts are 1970s/80s Otis Lexan traction lifts. And these lifts are a set of 2 lifts. But what's interesting is the lift on the right serves more floors than the left-hand lift does. But at the time of filming the original video here about 7 years ago now, the left-hand lift was out of service, and 7 years later it still is. These lifts are pretty much completely original, apart from the fact that the outside call buttons have been replaced with Otis concave. Right. These are the Otis Lexan lifts at Capital on the Quay. That lift there is still broken. It has been for many, many years. Oh, here it comes. That's loose. Come on. Yep, there it is. So this is a very tall lift. I don't know how many numbers on that floor indicator work though. Doesn't look like it works at all though. Not got much battery life left in this camera, so I hope it doesn't die on me. Oh, the 7 lights up. Where are you guys going?
Level 2. Oh.
This lift's going up.
No worries. All good, guys. Yep, should be fine, no worries.
13 person, 900 kgs. You want to go level 2 or? Where do you want to go?
Oh, Lambton.
Oh, yeah.
Once, yeah.
That one button doesn't light up. are back at level 1. After you. There it goes. And that's it. And now into the lifts at the back. And this is a set of 2 Quay M series traction lifts, which again have been modernised by Otis. And these lifts go from level 1 all the way up to level 8, which is the terrace. However, though, in these lifts, though, level 1 is not public, so only levels 2 and 8 are actually unlocked in these lifts. Now, what's interesting is the lift on the left uses 2 speed doors, but the lift on the right uses regular centre open doors, which is quite an interesting and unusual configuration, and it's not something that you see every day. So let's take a look at them. Looks like it's going to be that one on the right.
Which one?
This one. Where are you guys going? Level 8?
Trying to get up to the street.
Here's your capacity.
Is this 8? Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
So these are some former Quay M series lifts modernised by Otis at Capital on the Quay. This one's the single door lift, but I'll try and get the 2-speed door one so you can see the differences between both of them. So I'll send this one back up. Up, and then we'll try and call the other one. Up it goes. Yep, down it comes. This one will just take one way though. So all floors other than 2 and 8 are locked off. Well, at least this one's displaying the correct date on the indicator. Again, it's got the same capacity as the other lift, and this is also a former Quay M series modernised by Otis. Right, here we are up at level 8. There it goes. And that's it. And now to the next set of lifts. And these lifts are some 80s Express lifts which have had a Dewhurst modernisation done by Schindler. And these lifts go from level 2, which is Capital on the Quay, all the way up to level 7, which is the terrace. Now what's interesting is that level 7 is actually the terrace, and these lifts are not level 8. So it's clearly a different building. But anyway, after the first modernisation done by Schindler, these lifts retained the original chimes and the original floor indicators, as seen in the footage here playing on the screen. However, though, since filming the original video, these lifts have had both the internal and external floor indicators both replaced. I think Schindler did the work, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, let's take a look at them. Some more lifts at Capital on the Quay. These are express lifts which have been modernised by Schindler. That panel's a bit loose. Though I have filmed these lifts before, but since I last filmed them though, the floor indicators have been changed. (1,125 kgs or 16 persons. Let's go back to level 2 now. Basic interior, but yeah. Right, here we are back at level 2. Those are M series key switches. There it goes. And that's it. And now to the last lift, which is the lift inside the connecting Whitcall store. And this lift is a 70s or 80s Otis Lexan lift, which has had a modernisation done by Otis, and it now has Everbright fixtures and blue and white generic floor indicators. And this lift serves floors ground through to level 4, but only levels ground and 1 are unlocked, as levels 2, 3 and 4 are all service floors, so they are all locked off in this lift. But anyway, let's take a look at this lift. Okay, so this is the one lift I've not filmed here before, which is the Otis lift modernised with the Everbright, which has had the doors changed. I've not filmed this lift before because it's actually pretty boring. Yeah, that date's ahead of itself again. It's the 8th of August, not the 9th. 1,125 kgs or 16 persons. Right, get a look at the cab, it's pretty basic. So yeah. Here we are back at level 1. There it goes. And that's it.